spiral bandaging. Start the dressing from the narrower part and wrap upward and toward the wider part. Make two circular turns to begin the bandage. Continue spiral turns at about a 30-degree angle, each turn overlapping the preceding one by 2/3 the width of the bandage. Terminate the bandage with two circular turns and secure the end with tape, metal clips, or a safety pin over an uninjured area. Spiral bandages are used for uneven cylindrical parts of the body, such as fingers, lower part of leg, and forearm.